Getting older doesn't mean slowing down. It means getting smarter with your tools. These 10 amazing gadgets for seniors in 2025 are designed to make daily life easier, safer, and more independent. From mobility aids to home helpers, these smart innovations bring comfort and confidence back into your routine. Let's check them out. Number 1. Mobility Aids Adjustable Standing Assist Device. Starting off strong, the Adjustable Standing Assist device helps you stand up safely from beds, chairs, or couches. It's lightweight, portable, and provides steady support indoors or outdoors. The non-slip handles and stable base give you balance and confidence every time you rise. Perfect for gardening, housework, or everyday use around the home. Number 2. 2-pack Grabber Reacher Tool, 32-inch foldable. Next up, the Grabber Reacher Tool set, because bending over shouldn't be a challenge. Each reacher extends 32 inches, folds easily, and includes a magnetic tip to pick up metal items. The 90 degrees rotating anti-slip jaw helps you grab bottles, keys, or trash with ease. It's the ultimate helping hand for people with limited mobility or back issues. Number 3. PELEGON Shower Chair for Elderly, 450 pounds capacity. Safety in the shower is priceless, and the PELEGON heavy-duty shower chair delivers it perfectly. Built with padded armrests and an adjustable frame, it's comfortable, strong, and easy to clean. The non-slip rubber feet keep it steady even on wet tiles. It's designed for real comfort and peace of mind every single day. Number 4. RMS Deluxe Sock Aid with foam handles. Tired of struggling with socks? The RMS Deluxe Sock Aid makes dressing simple again. Just slide your sock over the aid, drop it to your foot, and pull the foam handles. No bending, no twisting, just effortless independence. It's lightweight, durable, and perfect for anyone with back, hip, or mobility issues. Number 5. ELENKER Upright Walker with Seat and Backrest. Meet the ELENKER Upright Walker, a mobility game changer. It lets you walk in a natural, upright position, reducing back and shoulder strain. It features a padded seat, backrest, and adjustable frame for all-day comfort. It folds easily for storage or travel, making it perfect for seniors on the go. This walker doesn't just help you move, it helps you move with confidence. Number 6. VOCIC Upgrade Electric Chair Lift, EX15. The VOCIC Electric Chair Lift is a must-have safety tool for elderly users. If you've ever worried about falls, this powerful lift can raise you safely from the floor with the press of a button. It supports up to 440 pounds and has a T-stabilized base for total balance. It's compact, portable, and gives you or your loved one total independence again. A true lifesaver for seniors living alone. Number 7. KMINA Electric Toilet Seat Lift Riser. Next is comfort and dignity combined. The KMINA Electric Toilet Seat Lift. It gently raises and lowers you, reducing knee and hip strain. Fully powered, height adjustable, and built with sturdy side handles for support. It turns a simple task into something easy, safe, and comfortable. Number 8. TAILI Grab Bars for Showers and Bathtubs, 2-pack. Safety in the bathroom matters, and the TAILI suction grab bars make it effortless. These heavy-duty handles mount in seconds. No tools, no drilling. They lock tight for rock-solid grip and release easily for repositioning. Perfect for showers, tubs, or any slick surface. They give instant stability and peace of mind wherever you need it. Number 9. MED02 Medical Wall Mount Workstation. For those who work, study, or monitor health at home, the MED02 Wall Mount Workstation is a sleek solution. It includes a folding keyboard tray, adjustable height, and sliding mouse pad for total ergonomic comfort. Mounts easily and saves tons of space. Perfect for home nurses, telehealth, or keeping devices handy. It's a clean, professional setup that fits any home environment. Number 10. Drive Medical Tub Transfer Bench, 12011KD1. And to finish strong, the Drive Medical Tub Transfer Bench. This adjustable seat helps you get in and out of the bathtub safely and comfortably. It's strong enough to support up to 400 pounds, with arm supports and a sturdy backrest. Assembly is tool-free, and the wide seat makes transfers effortless. It's simple, reliable, and one of the most trusted aids for home safety.